Okay, Amanda Bachman is our Consumer Horticulture Field Specialist located in the Pierre Regional Extension Center. So Amanda, you're here at Dakotafest along with some Master Gardeners. Tell us what the Master Gardener program is all about.
The Master Gardener program is sort of a citizen science program where people take a training class, which was online last year. And so we teach them all sorts of things about horticulture, entomology, soils, pretty much anything that you would need to know to do your own garden. And then the Master Gardeners, in turn, they do volunteer hours for us, working on educational programs in their communities and around the state. And then they become certified Master Gardeners who sort of help us educate the public about gardening and help us answer gardening questions around South Dakota.
So it's really a train the trainer program, and do you have some examples of what types of things the Master Gardeners would be doing in their communities?
Yeah, we have Master Gardeners in Pierre actually who work on a couple community gardens, having educational signage, teaching people about the different plants that grow in South Dakota. I have Master Gardeners who are helping me out with a backyard biodiversity program. They are taking data in their own backyards about what pollinators and beneficial insects are visiting their flowering plants so that we can get a better idea of what kind of pollinators and insect populations we have in South Dakota. We also have Master Gardeners who work with all sorts of youth gardens and other sort of community groups in their areas.
So tell us a little more about the backyard biodiversity.
So this is sort of, it's my pet project. I did a lot of work with pollinators when I was in Pennsylvania, and I wanted to bring that to South Dakota to educate people about sort of the good things that insects can do, and especially because pollinators are in such peril right now. There's a lot in the news about honeybees and the honeybee decline, but there's also native pollinators out there that need our help, and so I'm hoping to get a better idea of what's in the state of South Dakota so that we can better focus our sort of education and conservation efforts on helping those bees to make sure that we all have, good vegetable yields in not only our backyards but in our crops as well.
Very good. I think that's good enough.